Today what we're going to do is we're going to make ourselves a viewer for holograms that you can use with your iPad. So the idea with this is that we need to create this plastic viewer, and we're going to do that using a template. So what you're going to need to do that is a piece of paper, you're going to need a pen, a little bit of sticky tape, scissors, a protractor, a piece of clear plastic, and a ruler. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make our template. Now the template is going to have this shape 4 times, the trapezium. Okay, so we're going to make the trapezium by measuring a few things. Now the first thing is the base of the trapezium is 6 centimeters long. So what I'm going to do on my piece of paper is just measure a line that's 6 centimeters long. Okay, that's 6. Then what I'm going to do is measure in my angles. Now the angles on this particular shape are all 60 degrees. So what we're going to do is use your protractor, put it right on the end of the line. So the cross is on the end of the line. Line it up and then find 60 degrees. And then draw a line up to there. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. So you put the cross right on the end of the line, line it up, and then go around, to 60, which is here. And then join it up. Now when you do that, you're going to create a triangle. Okay, now we don't want the whole triangle, we only want a trapezium, so just a part of this triangle. So to find that out, what I want you to do is take your ruler and measure up 4 centimeters. So it's a 4 this way. 4 centimeters up each side from the bottom, like that. And that's where we're going to cut off the top of our triangle, like that. Okay, so this is going to be the shape that we keep. 6 centimeters, 60 degrees in each corner, and then 4 centimeters long. This is actually about 2 centimeters across the top. Okay, now once you've got your template, what we need to do is cut it out. And then we're going to put this together. So to put it together, get your piece of plastic, your template, and a pen. Like a marker pen works really well. And then what we're going to do, I'm just going to put it along the bottom so it's easy to cut, is we just trace around the template, like that. Now to make it fit and to make it easy to cut, I just flip it over. So I flip it over, I do another one there, oops, and flip it over again, do another one, oops, and then do the last one. So try and be fairly accurate. Okay, so once you've done that, scissors, I want you to cut out your shape. So I'm just going to cut all the way along the bottom, cut it out, and then cut on the lines. Now I've got all the pieces. Now the only other thing you're going to need is some sticky tape. We've got a roll of sticky tape. We don't need that much. We only need 4 little pieces, probably that long, very little. So I'm just going to stick them here on my computer so I can grab them when I need them. So if you just cut off 4 pieces off the roll of tape, that's heaps, because you don't want too much tape, otherwise it will look not very good. And then what we do is we get our pieces and we need to join them up. So we're going to join up the first 2 pieces. I'm just going to put them on my hand and then join them up with a bit of tape. Okay. Then I'm going to move it again. So the next piece. So I've joined these 2. I'm going to get another piece. Just sit it there. Leave a little gap. Don't put it like right next to it because it has to fold a little bit. So leave it like a little bit of space. Stick it down. Turn it again. Stick your last piece on the end. Again, leave yourself a little bit of space And if you want to as well, you can sort of rub off the pen. I should have done before I stuck the tape on. And then to join it up, what you have to do is fold it. And if you fold it together, oops, you want to then tape it. So I'm going to just fold that together, my last piece of tape, and tape it. And hopefully if you've measured it all nice and accurately, it will sit flat. So you want it to sit nice and flat. And then what you can do is get your iPad, Google the word hologram videos, and you'll get videos that look like this. There's a whole bunch of them down here. And then all you need to do is put your viewer in the middle and then watch the videos. And as you do that, you're going to be able to see the little minion or the little character actually inside your viewer.